Many people I work with think that the only way to get ahead is to work harder. They put in longer hours at the office and they regularly bring their work home, often at the expense of their family and their health. But there is a better way. For the last 10 years, I've worked with people who have one thing in common. They suffer from the feeling that they don't have enough time to do what's important to them. They often feel overwhelmed and are working hard, but still find themselves apologising for missing deadlines, not getting home on time, and feeling like they're letting themselves and other people down. I often have people say to me, "Hey Kel, I'm working hard, but at the end of the day, I haven't accomplished what I set out to do." In my years of coaching, I find that people usually have no problem telling me what's important to them and the goals that they want to achieve. But somehow they end up off track. Why? Well, if I was to go all CSI-like on their time, a typical day for many of these people looks like this. They spend 2 or 3 hours reading and responding to emails. They check email more than 36 times a day. They're spending 45 minutes a day looking for stuff they already have. They're multiple handling their email, their tasks, their documents, and they're dealing with up to 20 trivial low-value interruptions. They procrastinate on their big-ticket items. No wonder people are frustrated and overwhelmed, and as you can see, there's no time left in the tank for what's important to them. This program is all about the satisfaction and peace of mind that comes from knowing you are getting the right things done, bringing together best practice productivity principles with the technological know-how to enact them.